Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Welcome back to your English class. Now today we'll start the recaps for the grammar gate. Okay, so we'll be first taking the chapters which are a little bit complicated. Okay, so first we'll be taking tenses. Now this chapter I have explained in detail many a times when I was explaining direct and indirect speech also, when I was explaining voice also. So in the beginning of the chapters I have explained to you tenses only. So if you want to really understand in detail, what you can do is you can go to those videos and you can learn the tenses again. Okay, as well as write the formulas which I have made you write. Okay, the tenses is nothing but it's reference of time, that when an action happened, whether in past, whether in present, or whether it will happen in future. Yes, so it is the action. It means it is the verb that we change. What we change? It's the verb that we change, right? Now, tenses, as I said, it's divided into past tense, present tense, and next comes to future tense. Yes? Now, future tense is yet to come, past is what already happened, and present yet we'll be talking about time now. Okay? So, in present tense also you have 4 types of tenses. In present tense also you have 4 types of tenses. Suppose this is something that a student has written already. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous, past tense, past continuous, past perfect. Okay, and this is about future tense. Yes, students? Now, you don't have all the tenses in this chapter. So, in this chapter first, because you have already studied the previous ones, isn't it? Now, over here you have present perfect continuous tense. It means that the action started in past and it is still going on. Yes, action started in past and it is still going on. The formula for present perfect continuous is has or have. Has or have plus been, and because it is continuous it will be ing. Okay? This is present perfect continuous tense. Okay? So you just have to add, if it is singular, has, if it is plural, have. Been and ing with the verb be one. Clear? See the example over here. With I and you also we use have. Isn't it? I have explained it many a times. Right? So I dash the homework since 8:15 p.m. So here the verb is not doing, the verb is do. Yes, we added ing to it because it is continuous. So I have been doing. Yes, he has been working. So suppose the verb is work, right? So he is a singular, so has been working in the office for 6 years. Clear? So this is your present perfect continuous tense. Let us see then. Okay. Now in this exercise also you only have present perfect continuous tense. So what you can do is you can write a formula like this beside the question so that you remember that in present perfect continuous tense you have to use this. Clear? Then come to past continuous. Past continuous means at a particular time in past that action was going on. So what is the formula? Was or were plus ing. Yes? So see, was for singular, plural is were, I was, okay, you were. Okay? Now see example, we is plural, so we were watching. So watch is the verb. We were watching television when he came in. The boy fell while he was running. The past continuous tense is used for an action that was still going on at a certain time in past, as I explained you. Now you also have simple past over here. Simple past, it means at that particular time that action already happened. Okay. So if you see, the boy fell while he was running. So when he was running, the boy already fell. Right? So fell is the past tense of fall. Fell is the past tense of fall. So in simple past, you are only going to use V2 or ED form. Yes? Meena dashed her fingers while she dashed the dinner. When did she burn her fingers? When she was cooking, right? When she was cooking. So, Meena burnt. Burnt. What is the past form? Burnt. Right? Meena burnt her fingers while she was cooking the dinner. Okay? So you should know when this action happened, when the other action was going on. Okay? And past continuous, I already wrote the formula over here. Clear? Then comes past perfect. Past perfect. The past perfect is used for an action completed before a certain point in the past. Before a certain point. So here the formula is had plus V3 or ED. Okay? So at a certain point, see, time is going by 8 o'clock, it was 10 o'clock. Yes? So by 8 o'clock, I had done. Again, do, did, done. So we use V3, isn't it? So by 8 o'clock, I had done my homework. So this was your past perfect. Okay? Now come to the future tense. Future tense. Now in future tense, we use present continuous also. For present continuous is used when we make our personal plans. When we make our personal plans. Simple present is used when a program is scheduled officially. आपके हाथ में नहीं था, but it was scheduled officially. Yes? And then you know that will or shall comes in future. Yes? Will, shall, going to. Yeah, right? So from here, when you read a sentence, identify whether it is plan made by you, it's an official plan. Yes? Or you have to use will or shall. The rules are over here, which is already explained you in details. Okay? So here we finish with the revision for tenses. Now you can go through the detailed videos as I am saying once again. You will find the videos in English playlist class 6 from our channel. See you soon with the next chapter.